Good afternoon. It is 4 o'clock on Wednesday, June 23rd, and we are live once again here from the Lake Hotel. So, bringing you another clear view of Taal Volcano, give you the Taal update. So we were here earlier this morning and there was actually some steam rising from the crater. I'll have images of that later. If you're on our Facebook page, there's images of that, and we'll also add it to our YouTube page as well. But yeah, guys, we just wanted to come back for the afternoon and give you a live look. It's a nice clear view now as opposed to this morning when you were still getting some steam and some cloud coverage. So
super linaw po guys. So we are broadcasting live from the Lake Hotel dito po sa Maharlika, Tagaytay. Ayan. Hintay lang natin. I-share ko lang.
So yeah, guys, our last live was from this location, but we really enjoyed the view, and it's a nice clear afternoon. Again, this morning we had noticed some steam plumes when we were here this morning for breakfast. I decided to come back for the afternoon and give you a nice clear look since we couldn't go live this morning and give you a better view.
Ayan po, kaninang umaga, yung sinasabi nga niya, pinost ko kasi parang I think hanggang alas 12, umuusok pa rin siya. Ayan, pero as of the moment, ito po, ang live view ng Taal, wala na pong pag-usok. Again, we're not reporting anything. Pinapakita lang po namin sa inyo yung live view ng Taal from Maharlika, Tagaytay.
Yeah, guys, we just like to bring you live view whenever we're here, whenever possible. If it's your first time tuning in, we go live periodically whenever we have a view of Taal, just because we have many friends and family that are both viewing locally and internationally. So they request that we bring these updates. I know some people have vacation homes here, other properties, other friends, other family. So guys, we just like to go live because this is a really great view of Taal. Gives you a really good current look.
Yes po. Maliwalas na yung panahon, wala na pong pag-ulan, hindi na rin cloudy. Wala rin pong fog sa ngayon. Yan po yung nakikita nyo. Kitang-kita at napaka-aliwalas tignan sa labas yung Taal. But kanina nga, according to FIVOX, 6 volcanic earthquakes. Tapos yung sulfur emissions is 4,563 tons per day. Ayan po ang report ng FIVOX kaninang umaga.
Yeah, guys, so we just try to give you the latest news from Taal. It is still at alert status 2, which it's been at for several months now, which just means that it has more activity than usual. So that is the current level that it has been at for a while now, guys. Typically you get the steam in the morning or sometimes overnight. And we were able to see it this morning, but we didn't go live, guys, because honestly there wasn't anything that you could see when it's really steaming. From our perspective, it's very difficult to get a view of Taal, so we came back this afternoon to bring you a live look.
Apo. Bali kaninang umaga, kung nakita nyo po yung shinare ko po na pictures, biglang nag-foggy, so hindi na kami nakapag-cover. May onting steaming. That was around, what time was that, Daddy? when we ate, 9 o'clock.
Yeah, about 8:30, 9 o'clock this
Mga
morning.
9 o'clock, 9:30 kaninang umaga, may steaming pa. Tapos merong nag-comment na meron pa nga daw steaming ng mga bandang alauna. Actually, mas malakas. Pero yan, as of the moment, ito po ang makikita nyo. Napaka-aliwalas tignan.
Yeah, so a lot of people know that we're here, that we're local to Tagaytay, so many times we get viewers asking us for updates of the volcano, current view. So anytime we can, guys, we will go live and bring you a view regardless of what's going on. Obviously, if something more serious was happening, we probably would not be going live. But yeah, our goal always, guys, is to keep our friends and family updated, and those of you who request to see views of Taal.
Saka syempre, yun nga, stay safe pa rin. Hindi kasi natin alam, wala po nakakaalam kung puputok ba o hindi. So, maigi na pong may kaalaman kung ano po nangyayari. Kaya, salamat din sa Fivox sa continuous update, saka po sa mga kabatang natin na lagi nag-update sa page.
And if you're just joining us, guys, just so you know, we are live. We are here at the Lake Hotel in Tagaytay. It's just down from Wind Residences. Just giving you a quick look where we are located. So
Sa Maharlika po to, sa Tagaytay, sa may Petron.
yeah, so it really gives you one of the best views that we've had of Taal, guys. Really clear day now. Wasn't so clear this morning. So yeah, that's our main reason for going live, guys, because we know that many of you request a live look. And so here we are.
So again, live view po ito. Wala po kaming nire-report na kahit ano. Just live look ng Taal.
Yeah, thankfully things have seemed to calm down quite a bit. But again, we are still at alert status 2. But yeah, thank you to everyone that's tuning in. If you guys can, feel free to share the live feed. We always appreciate it. We seem to always pick up more and more viewers and more local people in the area that prefer to see this view live. So we always appreciate any of the shares or follows, guys. It's certainly appreciated. But yeah, we are here. We are locals here in Tagaytay, and we're just here to bring you a live view. And yeah, currently it is a nice, clear, calm day. So gives us the ability to bring you this great view from the Lake Hotel.
Kung nanonood po kayo ng live namin, sa page po namin, sa Facebook page po namin, meron din kaming monthly giveaways. Kung gusto nyo po sumali, feel free po. It's not limited po sa, hindi kailangan Star Wars fan ka o ano. The giveaways are monthly. It's open to everyone po.
Yeah, guys, we're just trying to continue to build support for our page as always, just like anyone else who's vlogging here. So if you haven't checked out our other vlogs, we appreciate it. If you just come and tune in for Taal, we appreciate that too, because like we said, we know we have many friends and family and followers from around the world, guys, that really have other friends and family in the area that prefer to see a live view. And so like I said,
so many monkeys in this park.
Oh, you're looking for the monkeys.
Dito po sa parting to, walang masyadong unggoy, hindi kagaya dun sa isa po namin pinaglalaivan sa may cliff view. Laging maraming unggoy.
Yeah, guys, this is, if you're looking for a place to come visit and you want this particular view, this is from the Lake Hotel, guys. It's probably one of the best views that we've had of Taal. We've been to a lot of places, as you know. We do broadcasts as often as we can, but this is for sure one of our favorite spots to broadcast from, especially on a nice clear day. We'll go ahead and zoom in and get you a little closer. So yeah, you get a nice perspective here, being up in Tagaytay, a little elevated perspective. I see a lot of videos posted from Batangas and other areas that are more eye level. So this gives us a little bit of a different perspective from over here. Yeah, guys, we appreciate you tuning in. Appreciate you checking out the page. And yeah, if it's your first time here, guys, just to let you know, we are locals. We tend to go live from Taal as often as we can. And yeah, should something change or something more dramatic occur, we will do our best to bring you live updates. But of course,
Kung
it's always
kailangan
safety first.
mag-evacuate, yes, evacuate kami. Huwag naman sanang dumating sa ganon. Kaya sabi nga po, patuloy lang yung pagdasal po mga kabatang. Kasi hindi natin alam kung ano. But prayers are powerful. So stay safe po palagi. Lalong-lalo na may bagong variant din yung COVID. Ingat po tayong lahat.
All right, so we appreciate everyone tuning in. We'll go ahead and wrap this one up here just because this one doesn't have a lot of updates with it, guys, thankfully. That means it's fairly restful. And as always, guys, we will go live if something more ever develops. But in the meantime, guys, we will do our best to always bring you a live view, a live look of what Taal is doing or not doing.
Ingat po. Salamat po.
So yeah, thanks again for tuning in, and yeah, please check out the page, guys. We really appreciate it. Whether you're on YouTube or Facebook, definitely check it out. We have several Taal videos there, but we also do monthly giveaways. So I don't know too many people that don't like to win things. So if
Yes,
you like, check out our pinned post on our Facebook page.
Yes, follow our page lang din po dahil pag nagla-live kami, meron din po kaming random items saka GCash giveaways. Ayan po. Okay, maraming salamat po. And stay safe everyone.